Sige, blow. More. Woo! Sige. More. More. Uy! More. Sige. Hang on. Blow. Blow. More. More. I want more. More. Bukan anak. Good morning guys, happy Saturday, welcome back to our channel. So we are now in the car. Actually it's 28th of December and we are currently in Footscray guys, because it's the last session of my microdermabrasion. Hence I don't have any makeup on today guys, because if I put makeup on they will just, you know, wipe it away as soon as I get in the door. So, you know, why bother? But I've got Mimi, hello, yeah, and Paris in the car. So I'm gonna go in guys, I'm gonna take you with me again as always, and then I'll see you soon. Bye. Ticket guys. So we're allowed to park here until 11:38 a.m. Hello sweetie. Tara kayo mong dress na. Ay sure, dako po man ang dress. Hello beautiful girl. Kita hold her. Nasa kinan. So I'm just gonna pop it here guys, so we're not gonna get fine. And off we go. Who's going with mama? Huh? Boy, it's pretty warm today guys. I think, what is it today, Map?
It's not warm, dude. It's very hot.
Yeah, it's hot actually. So maybe it's in 30s. Hello, sweetie. Luwi ba ni mama tanawon? Ay, nagka dagidlay na. So yeah, that's it guys. This is my last session, I guess. So it'll be exciting. And we didn't put Paris in the pram because we have some stuff for to donate, guys, at Savers. So Paris's pram is actually under those, you know, bags, so we couldn't get it out. So after my session, then yeah, we're going to drop the donation to Savers guys, and then we can take Paris's pram out.
Okay.
That's right. Okay. Come down. It smells so good in here.
Ganun ba sa ilang natin?
Okay. So while waiting guys, Paris is having this. Tagulang. Finish, Titi? Miguel, who's that? I just ran so fast because my parking is only up to 11:38 and it's now 11:39, guys. Hi again, guys. I'm back in the car. So yes, I've done, actually guys, I was wrong before when I said it was my last session because it was my 4th, so I still have 1 left. So that's what my face looks like now, guys. It's very moisturized, hydrated, because they put so much stuff in there.
Innocence Day man rin karon.
Oh yeah. And yeah, we've got Mimi in the front seat and Paris in the back.
Isyo gay nila tiya pa ni.
See, something's happening with her face, guys. Kaya up niya siya, guys. Tambahan na ginakatong kuan. Ano ba kauli sa Pilipinas? Katong dahon bito? Itong murag ipil-ipil ba? Oh, what happened to the book? But yeah, for now, guys, we're going to drop the stuff to Savers. And then I'm gonna get my nails done. So yeah, yes, honey. See you soon. Nagbit-bit na siya goodies. We parked far away from the store, guys. And someone is crying. You want the ball? Mama, get the ball. Kaluway yun. Guys, back, guys. So here, when you donate something to Savers, guys, you'll get this voucher. So it's 20% off for your next purchase, and that's valid until the 31st of Jan. Okay, we're going.
Anda mag-park.
Guys, guess where we are?
Maganda itong brown, no, kuya?
Patutoy na ko sa Paris, guys. Nakasulod na may lutong Pinoy, guys.
Oh, nay. Thank you. Merry Christmas po.
Ang bata, guys. Oh, nagpiot-piot lang gid mi diri, guys.
Ano, baka kulang.
Pasulod mi ni Ate Nursing. Thank you, te. Guys, here's the kitchen. It's where the magic happens. Dito sila, guys. Oh, turon. That's why it's very crispy. Ang mga gwapo ng mga sales lady, guys.
Hindi ko na kumagtanaw eh.
Dili ko na, char. Nag-order ng halo-halo, guys. Nay, bata nang ipanawag. Ayaw, nag-order ka. Halo, guys. Oh, baby! Ang nagkaroon, guys. Mahal na muli nito to. Say hi, te. Ang makita sa YouTube.
Hi.
Ang mga ating ang gwapo. Oh, daan, suman. Ano itong suman?
Suman hukot.
Suman. Pamainit ba? Ugma na sa... Yes, baba. You wanna go out? Pinakagwapa nga, pinakakusgan. Nga tayo sa lutong Pinoy. Sa lutong Pinoy na gano'n.
Guwapo siya, oh.
Namas ko medyo, guys, kay tagaan na may kuhan, guys. Turon, oh.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Oh, Happy New Year na di ay, guys. Gusto mo kuan kasama kay kutsinta. Wala na dili tanan.
We're cooking turon.
Turon, grabe pa kay init pa kay, guys. Palayo ta, China oil. Init kayo.
Guwapo kayo siya.
Yes, honey. Okay, we'll go out. Lamit ang inimuan niya.
Diri, dapit to.
Mong kuhan, guys. Halo-halo maker. Tago mo naman halo maker. Wow, yummy. Ice na ka? Ay, hamalo. Mama! Yeah? What's that? Ay, ang Narcisa tayong chocolate, ah. Taghan ka, ayo, ah. Pasalamat ka, nak? Nak, did you say thank you? Oh, you like your chocolate, don't you? Ay, salamat, Auntie Narcisa. We say thank you, eh. Thank you. Play with the baby. Give one to the baby. Yeah, good sharing, honey. Well done. Yeah. Mr. Dinosaur, do you want to say bye? Bye? Say bye, dinosaur. Say bye, dinosaur, because we're going. Come on now. Oh, guys, we ended up getting another toy for her. Come on. Paris, go. So, hi, guys. We finished with our halo halo now. And I'm just going to go get my toenails done, guys. Because I haven't had it done for a while. They look gross now. Venus Nail and Beauty Supply. They're actually very good here, guys. That's why I love coming back here. Alright, honey. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Kiss mama. Mwah. I love you. Mama. Bikini Man. It is 30 million tonight. It's 30 million tonight, guys. Look at this ticket carefully. It's gonna win tonight. We're home now. I'm just gonna show you quickly my toenails, guys. I'm gonna show you the color that I chose. Here it is. I just went to the grayish nudie color, guys, because have a look at my in my hands, they're very bright. So on the toes, just normal, you know, neutral color. Hi guys, so we just got home, and since we're actually wearing stuff that we bought from Boxing Day, what, two days ago, so I thought I'm just gonna show you what we got, just a quick haul of what we bought from Boxing Day on the 26th, guys. So first I'm gonna show you this shirt from Zara. Oh, have a look. It looks so nice, guys. It looks very like, you know, the oldish type of material now, like the color. It looks like it's very old, but it's this style. It's got Coca-Cola on the back. And yeah, this is what it looks like. So, yeah, because we went to Zara, guys. Well, actually, in the morning I went, and then the queue was crazy. It was up to the front door. So I said, no, I'm just gonna come back later. Hopefully, you know, the people will start, you know, going home, and then, you know, I'll have the shop for my own. Anyways, when we got there, it was still busy, but it's not as bad as, you know, when we went in the morning. So this is what I bought from Zara. Tita, so this one too, Mimi is wearing it today as well, guys. So this shirt, you can see it's nice, guys, because like we just pair it with shorts, and it you know, it looks very nice. So what it looks like, turn around. So what looks on the back. So yeah, I think from $29 it's down to $18, guys. So that was great. And then actually I got dressed for Paris, and she's currently wearing it now, but she's actually outside playing. So I'm just gonna show you the other things that I bought. I got these shoes for Paris. Have a look how cute. So it is size 21. It's still too big for Paris, guys, but she's gonna get there. It's better to get like big, you know, sizes than smaller ones. So this one was originally $39.95 and it was down to $25.95. So that's what I bought for Paris, because all Paris's shoes are actually sneakers. So, you know, I'll try to dress her more girly this time. That's what I bought. And then, is that all we got from Goma, Zara? Yeah. Dress. Paris dress. Yeah, Paris' dress. I don't know if you can see her, but yeah, that one. That one, guys. And then we went to Valley Girl. So the first one that I got from there, guys, is this floral sleeveless. It looks so cute. I can't wait to wear this. Yeah, it was $5.99, but it's so cute, guys. It's perfect for summer. And then I bought this dress. It's actually still size 10, but I think this will fit me still. So this one, guys, originally it was $39.99 and it was sale for $20. So that's what it looks like. It looks like a romper. See, this shorts and just all buttons. And I love all white, guys. So that one. And then Mimi picked up something to wear for New Year's Day. That's what she said. I don't know if she's really gonna wear it, but this white top, guys, is so cute. And well, from $20 it's down to $10, so it's half price. But that's what it looks like. And then she's going to pair it with a black skirt. This is what it looks like. So yeah, it will look cute actually. So this one is $12.99. So that's the one. And then we went to Innisfree because Mimi's skin is very dry right now. I don't know why it's been like that, but yeah, she's having issue with her skin at the moment. So she said if you can get some masks, face masks. So we got a few, and also they had a deal going on. So if you buy 10 masks, you'll get an extra 2 for free. So you got 12 face masks in total. And then while we were there, we just I bought some eyebrow pencil while we were there, because currently I have been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil, but yeah, it's getting too much for me because it's very expensive. It's like more than $30, and I can't do that all the time. And also because I got like this skinny one, just like this one. So every time I drop it, it just breaks, and then there's no way to use it again. So it goes to waste, and it's just too much money to waste really. So I bought this. I bought 2. So this is the fat version. Oh, I can't open it yet, guys, because I haven't used it yet. But that's new. But this one, guys, is very affordable. It's only for $7, which is a great value, I think. And then this one, the skinny one, guys, to create that shape, is $12. And for the fat one, I'm gonna use it to fill the eyebrow. Yeah. So yeah, that's those 2. And then we went to Bevel's. I bought something for Mimi, and it's inside this box. And dun, 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 dun. Ooh, have a look, guys. It's so beautiful. So last time we went there, it was, what happened, Mark? Was it already like this, Mark?
Yeah.
What happened?
I don't know. You know the thing and the tank. I take it off. It looks like that.
Mau dia ay punya suot.
Ito ikaw na siya sako.
Ano nga naman na?
Baby.
Na, kuan na siya na pag i-add to na to ni Bevel's. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So last time we went there, guys, I bought her this, and then when we went in there, I saw like the set. It's like the, what do you call it, the ring, and yeah, it looks great together, guys. So I got it for her. It's really cute.
Thank you. Saban ko niya, guys, di ka na ako suoton.
Yeah. Why not wear it? Where's Paris, Daddy? So that's the one, guys. And then oh, okay, so I went to the shop Secrets. But yeah, guys, it's inside this box. It's actually beautiful. Have a look at this packaging, but I don't need to open it now because I'm wearing it already. Have a look. Oh, have a look. It's really big stone and really sparkly too. So that's what it looks like. It is, I think, 1.5 carat each side. So they're pretty big, but I want it to be like a statement jewelry. So that's why. See? And they were having 20% off. So from $350, I got it down for $280. So that's the receipt there. And they're lifetime warranty, like the shine thing, guys. It's lifetime warranty, so I can go to any of the Secrets shop if I want it to get cleaned. So I bought that one, and then went to Myers because I ran out of the foundation already. So I bought these ever favorite liquid foundation, guys. What are you doing? Who's that? Who's that? Tata. What's that?
She looks like Peppa Pig.
You look like Peppa Pig. What?
Bart, say George.
George.
Daddy.
She knows to say dinosaur.
Have a look.
So this is my all-time favorite liquid foundation, the Estee Lauder one, Double Wear. It's my favorite, guys. It's amazing. It works well for me. And then my favorite lipstick as well is from Stila, because I couldn't find my other one. Like, seriously, I don't know where it is.
Where?
It was brand new, the other one. I couldn't find it. I probably lost it.
Maybe
Or
it's
just
in the
misplaced
car.
it. Yeah, I don't know. But I bought another one from Mecca Maxima. That's the one. And then I got Daddy something from Myers, my store. So I got Daddy these Ralph Lauren classic fit shirt in white because yeah, I know that's gonna look great on him. And I've got like the classic, you know, navy blue print. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Do you like this, Daddy?
Love it.
Yeah, so that's the one. And well, unfortunately, because this shirt is like new arrival, so it wasn't in sale. So it was full price of $159 Australian dollars. But yeah, it was good. Right, well, Daddy's happy with it, so I'm very happy. But yeah, that's about it. I think that's what we got for Boxing Day 2019. It was crazy, pretty chaotic day because the shop was full of people, like left and right, and also the parking was, I don't know, stupid. I don't know why we drove there when it's only, what, Bob, is that half an hour walk, or maybe more than 40 minutes walk from here?
Yeah,
High Point.
20.
No, for you, but for us, it's probably like, yeah, around 35-40 minutes walk to High Point. And we drove. It was a big mistake because it took us an hour to find a parking. The parking spot was just full, so many people, and anyways, the rest is just history. I don't want to think about it. But yeah, I'm very happy with what we bought. And yeah. But anyways, guys, that's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed, and also I hope that you give this a thumbs up if you like it. and please subscribe to this channel to be a part of this family. And guys, we're nearly 1,000 subscribers, guys. I would really appreciate if you join us, please. And yeah, Nat, do you want to say bye? Do you want to say bye? So here's the dress that I bought from Paris, guys, from Zara. Is that cute, honey? Very cute. Do you like your dress? But yeah, I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.